Step into the 2011 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome tube steps, rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat and adjustable steering wheel. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.